The MaxVac Supra SV1-430-MBA-A45R-Z22 is an ATEX rated dust extractor suitable for use in areas with airborne dust which could ignite. The Z22 aspect means that it is rated for that type of area where dust is not accumulated for long periods of times but is potentially there. It has a double bypass brushless motor which is operated via a single switch, so it is on or off. Normally with a 40mm hose, which would allow it to be used to get to smaller areas of machinery that you might clean, for example rollers, etc., within a bakery area. Its drum is a 45-litre drum and normally comes as standard as stainless steel. This will allow, with clean flour waste, for it to be recycled back into the system. And so the 430 in this instance has an M-class certified filter which can be upgraded to an H-class should you require, with an absolute accessory. It is able to be cleaned internally by reversing the airflow on the filter. This means that the filter doesn't clog up and gives an extra service life. In terms of accessories, with the wand set that's available as an optional accessory, you would receive an S-type wand, a 40mm 5-metre hose, a crevice nozzle and a brush. We've put these as optional extras due to some customers buying the 430 and using it purely as a dust extractor within their mixer systems. In that instance, the wand set would have been an extra cost to those, so we've decided to make it that it's an add-on.